Welcome to another MyForest tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create downloadable PDF maps in MyForest. Whether you're working on a forest creation or management project, and regardless of whether you're applying for a grant, a license, or simply working with stakeholders, being able to develop and provide a professional and accurate PDF map is essential. Using MyForest, you're able to produce downloadable PDF maps which can be shared with others via email or printed for further use. Creating professional maps is a cornerstone of good landscape scale management, and we're thrilled to support you on this journey. Creating PDF maps is a multi-stage process requiring you have already mapped your compartments, subcompartments and features. If you've not mapped your forest, please refer back to other guidance videos for support on this. Having launched the MyForest platform, you can see I have mapped several compartments, subcompartments and features across my site. Using these, I will create a downloadable PDF map. To begin, go to the Maps section in the control bar. I currently have no existing maps, so this section looks very empty. Clicking the plus icon found on the right hand side of the Maps section, a pop-up will appear allowing you to provide a map name. Please remember this name will become the map title when downloaded. Having provided a map title, click the green Create Map button. Your new map will appear in the Map section of the control bar. To begin editing your new map, click on the three dots found on the right hand side of the map you have just created. From the drop-down menu, select the Edit Map option. You will notice both the control bar and the Live View Mapping change automatically. The Live View Mapping tab now contains a frame with a four-headed green arrow in the bottom left corner. When downloading a PDF map, the page size can be set according to several options. The full extent of what will be visible on your PDF map is shown within this frame. Anything not found within the frame will not appear on your PDF map when you download it. To move the frame, click, drag and drop the four-headed green arrow to your desired location. Please note that you can move this at any time. The control bar now has several sections and functions which we will use to develop your PDF map. You can save your map at any time. You can also save and close, and finally you're able to preview your map prior to downloading. Using the scale, margin and paper functions, you can change the extent of your map. Using the scale drop-down menu, you can choose between a variety of high and low scales. You can also opt to set your own scale. Using the margin drop-down, you can set the paper margin when downloading. For most printer configurations, a print margin of 5mm. Depending on the purpose of your PDF map, you may wish to use a specific mapping background. To select the desired mapping background, in the control bar, click the Mapping Backgrounds drop-down and choose the appropriate background from the menu. Finally, using both paper drop-down menus, you're able to change both the paper size and the paper rotation. You will notice as you make these changes, the Live View Mapping frame will adjust automatically. As mentioned before, you can reposition the map frame at any time. Having set up the extent of your PDF map, you are ready to begin adding compartments, subcompartments and features to your map. To do this, you will need to create layers. Layers are individual items which will appear on your map legend. They have a set colour and title to clearly show the map item and the corresponding legend item. You may need to create several layers to clearly show all components within your PDF map. To create a layer, click the plus button in the Layers section of the control bar. Your new layer will automatically be added. Clicking the three dots, you will be provided with a drop-down menu. Select the Edit this layer option. This will provide a pop-up allowing you to provide a layer title, adjust the layer fill color, the fill opacity, the line color, and the line width. Please note you can edit all of this at any time. The second step of creating a layer is to now add your compartment, subcompartment, and feature mapping as required. To do this, click on the three dots and from the drop-down menu, select the Select Mapping option. A pop-up will appear allowing you to select the compartments, subcompartments, and features you wish to add to this layer, remembering that you can create multiple layers to represent different components of your forest. Once you have selected the desired items, click the green Confirm button. The selected compartments, subcompartments, and features will now appear on the live view mapping and in your legend when you download your map. To add multiple layers, repeat the process. Create a new layer, edit the layer title and style, and finally select the desired compartments, subcompartments, and features. You'll notice each layer has a second icon, a two-headed arrow. Clicking, dragging, and dropping the layer using this icon will allow you to reorder layers in your map. Having created the required layers in your map, you may wish to add labels. In the Labels section, you are able to show or hide existing labels. These titles are based on the compartment, subcompartment, or feature name you have previously provided. You are also able to create custom labels. Clicking the plus button, a new label will be added to the Labels section. You are able to type the desired text into the label text box. You can choose the arrow direction. You can also choose to add a label anchor. You can move both the label and label anchor independently by simply clicking, dragging, and dropping to the desired location. With layers and labels now added to your map, you may wish to add specific data layers. For more information on data layers, please view our data layers guidance video. To add data layers, simply click the desired data layer in the data layers section of the control bar. Please note that maps will not download if data layers are selected that do not appear within the map frame. Finally, you are able to create additional context which will be located in your map legend. Simply type the desired text into the extra content box found in the extra content section of the control bar. Having finished editing your map, click the green Save and Close button found in the top of the control bar. You will return to the standard My Forest view. To download your new PDF, click the three dots found on the right-hand side of the map you wish to download. From the drop-down menu, select the Download Map option. A pop-up will appear with a spinning green wheel. This is your map being generated by My Forest. Once your map has been generated, a green download button will appear. Click the green download button. Your map will now appear in your Downloads folder. Opening your PDF map, you can see there are 5 clear map components: a map title, a map scale, a map legend, map copyright, and the north arrow.